So this will actually be a quick video. I don't know if you can see all the soot. It's actually on this water heater. This is an Atwood water heater. They should burn really clean. You should never get any soot from your water heater. Atwood actually has an adjustable jet. I don't know if you can see in there. It's pretty yellow. It should be more blue than yellow. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's kind of a lazy flame. Right here is where we're going to adjust. Let's go ahead and turn this thing off. That's why I like Atwoods too. Suburbans, you can't, the board's not on the outside. So what we'll do, this is what we got here, but this is pretty universal for all Atwood water heaters. There's the air shutter right there that's adjustable. That's just a 1/4 inch screw there. Okay, so then we'll just unscrew that. What we want to do is adjust this so that we have a nice flame, but it's not an overpowerful flame. We don't want it to sound like a freight train, they say. So hopefully this should just be a quick little guy. Plug that back in. Alright, so that's probably a little bit too much open that way. So if I close this off, you can see how yellow that flame gets, can you? Or how quiet it is. So that sounds pretty good. The flame looks nice and blue. If you can see it, it would be blue. I'm pretty happy with that. So there we are. Adjust it right to there. And we'll tighten it back up. So if we had this all the way open, it may start popping. I don't know if you hear that popping. We don't want it to pop like that. If we close this back up, you can see how dirty that is right there. If you look on the back side, you can see how dirty it is too. So yeah, you should never see soot. It should burn really clean. It is propane. You can hear how well it's burning now too. Alright guys, so there was an actual quick little tip. We'll call it it's Tuesday, so it must be a tip Tuesday. Atwood RV water heater with the direct spark ignition propane. It's got that little shutter. It's kind of like a carburetor on the burner tube right there. Quick little adjustment, it'll burn better. You should never see any black soot coming from either your furnace or your water heater or even your refrigerator. Propane should burn really, really clean. Anyways, thanks a lot guys. And see if our flame does better. That sounds more like a jet plane to me. It was quite a lazy flame before.